Hello everyone, welcome to What's Viral. Today we've got some really interesting clips, so make sure to keep watching till the end. Here is a well-trained dog that can climb the stairs using only his 2 feet. These police officers got trapped in this car due to the strong current brought by the floods. The crowd came together to save the police officers from being dragged away.
Got me twist.
Here are a bunch of robots cleaning a room. This old couple is having a lot of fun in the rain. They even brought out an ironing board to play with. It seems like they forgot to get old. Here is a poor little owl hearing a rumble of thunder for the first time. This dog patiently waits for the statue to throw the ball for him. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to get notified whenever I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. See you again in another video.